Wanted to ring out the bells and fling out my arms and to sing out the news. I have found her, she's an angel with the dust of the stars in her eyes.
Next in line are Nicole Antoinette Noble and Paul Justin Abans.
Taking me back to the stars.
Nicole Antoinette is the daughter of Miss Susan and Boyas Noble. This little girl resides at Barangay Tulumbayan, Teresa, Rizal.
Bayan. Pag na.
And someday, this young girl wants to become a YouTuber. Her handsome partner is Paul Justin Aban. Paul Justin is an 11-year-old boy. His parents are Mrs. Eileen and Mr. Jenny Aban. This young boy resides at Barangay Mayniba, Bagumbayan, Teresa Rizal. He believes that hard work needs talent, and when talent does not work hard. This young boy wants to become an engineer someday. Our next pair is composed of Aina Nicole